Basic DNA is the first course of Theta Healing technique. You will become a practitioner after a 3 extensive day training. Once you learn the Theta brainwave meditation, is going to be very easy for you to connect with Source, to understand how unconditional love energy, what it means to truly gather this energy, to open up your psychic senses, to expand and train your intuition. Also, it's going to open up your subconscious mind, which is the 90%, 95% of your mind, and that's going to be able to understand your emotional baggage, how your limiting patterns work out for you, and how they create your reality. Once you know how to do this, it's going to be very easy to reprogram your subconscious mind and to create and manifest the life you want. Are you ready? I hope so. My name is Neus, and I'm really looking forward to share this amazing training with you.